Let's pack an order with me. It's a boy stationery surprise box. Cute pencil box. Colors kit. Another cute pouch and stationery. It's a boy stationery, that's why all things in blue. Eraser packet. Oh, I forgot the color books. Mini color books. Six-pack of cars. So cute! Any guesses? If you know that, so tell me in comments section. Add gloves. Here is final look. If you want to purchase, so follow on Instagram. Link in description. Let's see the magic. This is ready to go.